Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to export your video the right way, whether you're sending it straight to YouTube or saving a high quality file for editing later. Let's get started. Before exporting, make sure your composition is ready, the length is correct, and everything you want to export is inside the work area. Now, go to the menu and click File, Export, and Add to Render Queue. This opens the Render Queue tab at the bottom of After Effects. That's where all your export settings are. Next to Output module, click on this arrow, and here you can pick your format, like H.264 or lossless. If you're exporting for YouTube or general use, H.264 gives you a great balance between quality and file size. Next to Output 2, click the blue text to choose where you want to save the video, for example your desktop or project folder. And once you've given your file the name, press Save. Once everything looks good, just hit the render button on the right. After Effects will process your composition and export it to the folder you selected. When it's done, you'll hear a little chime, and that means your video is ready. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.